How to Facebook default audience setting. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of Facebook application on your device. So as you can see on the screen, there is no option of update over here. So it means we have the latest version of Facebook application. So just tap on open. As you tap on open, it will land you to the official page of Facebook where you have logged in. So tap on your profile at the top right corner and then tap on the gear icon. As you tap on the gear icon, it will lead you to settings and privacy. So just scroll down and on tools and resources, you can see the option of default audience settings. Now tap on default audience settings and here you can select among these three options from public, friends to custom. Now if you want that you want to give access to anyone to see what you share and interact with your public content, then select public. But if you want only your friends to see what you post or what you're doing with your stories, then you can just select on friends. Next is you can manually choose who can see what you share and interact with your public content by choosing on custom. So I'm going to select on friends over here and then tap on next and then tap on confirm and it's done. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.